Hello, this is part 3. So what we're going to do now is we've got our thin layer chromatograms and our paper chromatograms of soy sauce and amino acid. We've now got them in a fume cupboard. I've got gloves on again because we're going to be using ninhydrin as the developer. Now ninhydrin is, among other things, carcinogenic, so it's fume cupboard use only. What we're going to do is we're going to spray each of the plates and the 2 chromatograms I've got laid out on the piece of paper in front of us with ninhydrin. Ninhydrin will then react with the amino acids in conjunction with a bit of heat, and it will hopefully turn purple in a purpley sort of maroon colour in the presence of amino acids. So, ninhydrin, fume cupboard on, and we're going to just make sure that we liberally coat all the surface of our chromatograms with the ninhydrin. Okay, we're going to leave that to soak in for a minute or 2, and then we're going to use a hairdryer to heat up and to cause the reaction to occur. Now it may get a little noisy for a minute. Now it does take a few minutes to completely develop, but what we should be able to see now is that you can start to see that there are purple marks coming on it. Now we've got our start line marked and our finish line, so we can measure how far the solvent front moved, and then we can measure from the start line to, in this case, the 2 bands, and over here again 2 bands, to work out our RF values for the component amino acids. Okay, and we've got the same on the paper chromatogram. This one hasn't fully developed yet. It does take slightly longer, but you can see that the leucine on this one is just 1 purple smudge. But when we've done it as a TLC, you've actually got a lower smudge, a bit here, and then a third band at the top. So it's actually separated out the leucine to a much greater extent using the TLC than using the paper. And it's very faint at the moment, but we're just starting to get the third one coming through under A. It's very faint, but it is there. As I say, it will take a few minutes to develop, and this will have some photographs of the TLC results that she'll share with you. Okay, thank you very much.